Well, I bought these rockets probably about 2 years ago now. Never fired one yet. So, before the things go bad, and I don't know if they go bad, but we'll see. And we'll see if we pack the parachute the right way. But what the heck? Hopefully I hold the camera the right way while I launch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She's up there, holy crap. And I see a parachute. Yep, holy crap, that's height. Now let's see how far the wind takes it. I did angle it quite a bit into the wind. Wow, is that up there? It's not coming down. The wind is strong. I should have angled it even more. That wind's just carrying it. Oh crap, it's going to be way out in that field, if not out in the road. Hey, we could be going for a walk. A long one. Keep an eye on it, so just like finding a plane, I guess. And straight out from the edge. I'm going for a walk in the field.